We're back out at the field today and we are chasing down the issues with the RATE L40 Pro. Obviously we've had issues with Jello. I think I've sorted them now, but we're going to take it for a fly and we're going to find out if we have, so that we can then finally move on to our fully featured review video. So there's going to be probably maybe 1 or 1.5 flights. Let's freaking go and find out whether or not we solve them. Okay, let's see if we fix the issues with Jello that we've been having on this quad. It actually doesn't look like it, unfortunately. Now the ESC was set wrong initially, and then obviously I crashed and pretty much ruined some props, but I'm sure I'm still getting those micro jitters, which I really thought would have been dealt with by now, especially using these tri-blade props, but I could be completely wrong. Let's have a fly around and just see. Because actually, looking at it, it looks like it might be okay, you know. No, there is little bits of Jello there where it just sort of goes to the left and the right a little bit. Obviously, it's much more of a performance monster now. We've got these tri-bladed props on. He really is a great flyer though. I'm sure we can bottom these issues out. If nothing else, I'm going to have a flight of fun, and if I check the footage and actually the footage is okay, then I'll put this video out and you'll be all wondering what am I complaining about. So good. Really is so good. Of course, it's going to live and die by the sword of, can we fix these Jello issues that we're getting? But if we can fix these Jello issues that we're getting, then yeah, I think we've got a bit of a budget king. So good. Didn't quite get that right. This is the first time flying with tri-bladed props, by the way. See, I'm not getting a lot of vibration in the goggles doing that at full throttle, which I would expect to see, so maybe it's going to be okay. Been flying for 4 minutes and 35, and we're at 3.6 volts on a 660 mile. Really good fun. Okay, 5 minutes exactly. I'm going to bring it back and land it. 117 kilometers an hour with bi-bladed props on, so not actually that much faster. I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll actually do a run back this way just in case we've got a wind. So the weather's not brilliant here in the UK today. It's not cold, but we may have. Bit of a headwind coming this way actually, so that's an interesting thing. It's very dark on the camera. The camera needs to be lightened up a little bit. We can pretty much punt halfway down the field. It has started to rain though. We can pretty much punt halfway down the field, upside down from the power loop. Question of course is going to be now, appears to be a storm coming over there. The rain is coming as well. The question is going to be, have we fixed the Jello? I'm going to land, and if you see this video then we have, and if you don't then we haven't. Not bad for a drone that's designed for long range, and not really freestyle though, is it? Really not bad at all. Right, I'm going to come back and land. I think we can all agree that it's absolutely fantastic news that we've solved the Jello issues that we was having on the RATE L40 Pro, and that this is a phenomenal drone, especially for the money as well. The footage did get a little bit dark because the clouds came over and the weather was closing in on us, so I'll try and brighten that up a little bit in post. But we can now move on to the full video. One question you guys have been asking a lot of is, can we get spare parts for it? Can we get spare parts for it? Now, I've spoken to my contact at Banggood and we've now got a listing for spare parts for frames, etc. And arms and all that jazz and panaz. So I'll leave that link in the description down below as well. I'd highly recommend you pick one of these up. It's super cheap and super fun. If I keep flying it for fun, then it must say something considering the number of drones that I've got. All right, guys, take it easy and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most, so watch it and let me know if they're right.